Here we have for sale a Mitsubishi L200 Animal Sportsback with 22-inch rims. As you can see, it's got the chrome bits all around it. It's got the nice side steps. Stunning 22-inch wheels. Just quickly show you all the chassis and so forth. All absolutely solid. Inside the car we got full leather interior. It's got the nice animal emblems on the seats. I'll just climb inside the car. It's got the Bluetooth hands-free system, and it's also got the satellite navigation system, which is all touch button. Gives you all the information you need, distance to empty and so forth. Full climate control, top of the range sound system. As you can see, 61,519 miles. The vehicle is still being used, so that mileage is likely to go up, but not by a great amount, as it's only used for commuting. The truck is in fantastic condition, full electrics. Just give you a quick look around the car now. Got the roof racks, they'll all come with the car. As I say, this stunning Sportsback, 22-inch rims which really complement the vehicle. There's a slight damage just to the back tailback there. That's the only damage on the vehicle. I'll quickly open the back so you can have a look inside. The rest of the vehicle is absolutely outstanding, apart from one little thing on the back tailgate. Condition of the vehicle overall is fantastic. I'll just pop the bonnet. As you can see, you've got the animal badge on the side, which lights up in the dark, which is a really nice touch. What I'll do now is I'll open the bonnet so you can have a look inside under the bonnet. There are a few scuffs on the wheels, which is to be expected, I'd imagine, but the wheels are 22-inch wheels, fantastic condition. The truck is taxed for another year. It was taxed here last month, so you've got a year's tax, and the MOT is up in September 2013. As you can see, all the panels are straight, in very good condition. I'll quickly show you the engine now. It's a 2.5 turbo diesel engine. As I say, it's only done 61,000 miles, so there's plenty of life left in that bad boy. I'll just get it started now so you can hear it, to make sure there's no sort of knocks or any problems, whatever the case may be. The vehicle's fully serviced. It's got a full service history with it. As you can hear, it starts and runs everything. No abnormal knocks, nothing like that. The vehicle is running as it should. Obviously, the vehicle is advertised to sell. It's advertised at £9,995. We're not after any part exchanges, so anybody is interested in offering a part exchange, we're not interested in that. It's a cash only sale. As you can see from the truck, it's in fantastic condition. Feel free to ask any questions or give the number a call on the advertisement. Other than that, happy bidding. Thanks a lot again.